In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Dandy's World in VRChat. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to play Dandy's World in VRChat, you will need to look for a Dandy's World inspired experience or room in VRChat. So in this video, I got 3 examples here to show you. The first one is Dandy's World Avatar Hub. This is public, created by Cookie Cat LOL. You can access their profile if you want to see more about what they've made, but you can join this world and interact with other people in Dandy's World in VRChat. Of course, this is mainly an avatar hub, but you can possibly find other people in there. Another one would be Tizumi's Avatar World, which is also inspired by Dandy's World. So you can once again click on Tizumi's profile if you would like to see more. The description here, this is where I put my Dandy's World avatar and models, and you can go ahead and join and interact with other people. The last one that I've highlighted is this fan-made Dandy's World lobby work in progress by Candy Creatures. So just join here, you will have all of the rooms, all of the locations inspired by Dandy's World, and you can find other people in VRChat to interact with. Now, I'm not sure if you can do this inside of Roblox by playing in virtual reality, but if you want to do VRChat specifically, then all that you need is to look or search for specific worlds inspired by Dandy's World. You can go ahead and join them. You can see that at this current moment, no person is inside of these rooms, but you can usually find some populated ones as long as you look for Dandy's World in the VRChat public rooms, and then you can join and enjoy. So I hope I was able to help you. If I helped you on how to play Dandy's World in VRChat, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.